Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General and Family Dollar haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General and Family Dollar to do the 5 off of 25. And y'all, I did really good. Yes, I did really good. Okay. So these are on the low. You know, Family Dollar sometimes don't give it to us every Saturday or however they do. But I decided to try and do the 5 off of 25 because I hadn't done one in a long time. I used to just go in there, purchase some little items, and then come on out. But this time I'm going to do the 5 off of 25. And then also, you know, I'm bringing you my Dollar General 5 off of 25. Okay. So let's go ahead and I'm going to do the Dollar General first. So the first thing I did was these Jif. The Jif to go, my husband loves these. These are $1. I had one that was 70, I had 3 digital coupons on the Jif, okay? They are $1 each. Let me see which one came off. The $2, no, I'm sorry. The $2 off came off of both of these, so it made these two free. Because sometimes, you know, I did have a 50 cents off and I did have a 75 cents off. So I didn't know exactly which one until now that I'm looking at my receipt of which one came off. So the $2 came off for both of these, making these two free. Okay. The next thing is the Beauty and Planet. These are shampoos and conditioners, but I got 2. You can get the shampoo or the conditioner, but they only had was all conditioners. So I just purchased these 2. This product is a good product. I like it. I am natural and I like this product. Okay. So these were $5 each. They are not on sale, but there is 2 digital coupons that is applying to these. One is $4.50 off of 2. And then you had a $3 off of 1 for a digital. Okay. So one of them was a Dollar General coupon, and then the other one was a manufacturer coupon. So it stacked both of these, making these really cheap. Okay. The next thing was the Nivea. This Nivea is $3.65, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. And that came off. The next thing is the Playtex Sport. Playtex Sport, and this is the 14 count. Let's see how much that is for the Playtex. Okay, where you at, Play? Okay, it is $3.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, making that cheap. The next thing, y'all see these Captain Crunch. I love Captain Crunch cereal. Love it. The Captain Crunch cereal, they are, I think it's $2. How much is a Captain Crunch? Yeah, $2.85. There is a 75 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. So if y'all need some cereal, there is a 75 cents off digital coupon that is attaching to this, okay? The next thing is the Degree. This Degree Women is $1.85. There is, let's see, for the women, for the Degree, it's a 75 cents off digital coupon. And y'all, this is the small one that is attaching. All right. So the next one is the Degree Men. This is the small one, $1.85. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching for this one. Okay. So the next thing, Crest. This Crest, and this is the 2-pack, y'all, is $3. Okay. It's the baking soda and peroxide. And I have a $2 off Crest coupon. I'm thinking it attached to that, didn't it? Yes. The $2 off digital coupon did come off. So, y'all, for 2 packs, it made it only $1. I usually get toothpaste free, but since this is a 2-pack, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and purchase this one and get the $2 off, making that just $1. Then the next thing is this Rexall vitamins. It's biotin 1000 mcgs. It is $2 and I think it's 25 cents for this. Yes, $2.25. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, making that just 25 cents. And y'all, you better go get yourself. If you want to get some biotin, they had some more that was over there that was low, about $2 and something cents. But I decided just to get the biotin because it's good for your hair, good for your body and everything, okay? Then the last thing, y'all. Okay, these game. I forgot whose video that I seen. I think it was Nana Coupon. I think she was the one. If she wasn't the one, I do apologize because she loves to do the glitches, and I love looking at her video when she does the glitches, okay? So I had 3 paper coupon, and here is 3 of these are $2 each, and it is the 34 count. If you have some game coupons, it is the, I don't have any more because I only had 3. It is the Gain coupon that had the Gain flings on there in the big one, the big bottle of the Gain. It glitches for these 3. So I was like, let me go on and just use it because I think it expires today, and I'm going to see if it does. And y'all, all below, these 3, they actually was free. But what you want to do is when you scan one, scan the coupon. Scan one, scan the coupon. Because sometimes them coupons will not take if it's so many of them at the end. I've come across that, but that's just how it is. If you're you can just ask your cashier, hey, can you scan one, then scan the coupon, scan one, and scan the coupon, and then hopefully you get a good cashier that does that. My cashier, I just love her. She is fabulous. Okay, so after everything has been total, all the coupons came off. My 5 off of 25 came off. My subtotal was $5.45. Yes, y'all, $5.45. And she was like, girl. I was like, girl, I got to do what I got to do. So after everything came off, my subtotal, like I said, $5.45. Everybody's taxes is different. And let me show you my receipt. There go the Gain sheets. There's the coupon, because I gave it to her first just to see. Sorry about my receipt, y'all. I don't know what's that all on there. Then there's all of my stuff. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. $5.45. And look, y'all, look what I say. Total savings, $31.50. Yes, $31.50. And then here is a 5 off of 25 for next week, which I know I do digital, okay? So I just keep that just in case we don't get digital, so I can use that. But I love my digital, all right? So, yeah, let's go ahead and swing over here. So, and y'all hear me over here. So, I can give y'all this Family Dollar, okay? This one over here is Family Dollar. It's not Dollar General. It's Family Dollar. So if you don't have no Family Dollar in your area, I do apologize, but I wish everyone had Family Dollar in their area because they be having some stuff on below, okay? So you can go in there and get. So what I did was I went in, looked at some stuff, and I was like, yes, yes, yes. But I was looking to see if they had like the little Febreze warmer that we're getting free, but they didn't have any more of those, which I was fine with that. So I went ahead and got these perks. These perks are $4.45. There is a digital coupon, and all of this, y'all, is digital except for, no, it's not the whole digital. I did use 2 paper coupons, okay? So all of this on here is these was $4.45, and there is a digital coupon that you can use twice. So both of these, I got the 65 ounce, and you also can get 75 ounce, and then I got another Purex, okay? So the $2.50 came off twice, which I was loving that. Then on this Big Sensitive, which is the 12 count, this is the men, okay? The Big Sensitive is $3.15. There is a $2 off digital that came off. Then this big soil. It's a 3 count. The big soil is $3.65, and there is a $3 digital coupon that did come off, making it just 65 cents. Okay. Then on this big, it's a 10 count. There it is. On the Silky Touch, they are $3.25, and a $2 off digital came off, and I was happy on that. Then on this Airwick, the warmer, it is $1.85, and $1.50 off digital came off. Okay. And I did get a Snapple, but y'all know I always like to drink some because I'll be thirsty. All right. So, yeah, we was looking at this earlier, hoping that it would stay. The glitch will keep on glitching on this one. Okay. So, y'all, what it is, if you buy 4, okay, but there is a digital coupon that is glitching on here. And this is my first time ever using paper coupons in my 5 off of 25, I believe, because I haven't done a 5 off of 25 in a while. So I believe, but don't quote me on it. I think this is the first time I've done, because usually the reason why I'm saying that, y'all, because with Family Dollar and digitals, and then you're using the 5 off of 25 with paper, they sometimes kind of tricky. So I've just taken it and I was like, let me try this. I'm gonna take it just to see. Okay. So there's a digital coupon, $3 off of 2. Then in the paper, we have a $3, a buy one, get one free Febreze spray. Okay. It's on the spray, it's on the small spaces, and then also on the car clips. But I just seen everybody doing it on the spray. So on these Febreze Light Air, I didn't see anybody do the Febreze Light Air. Okay. So I just went ahead and said, let me go ahead and purchase this. And y'all, after she started scanning, I put my number in. I gave her the 2 manufacturer coupons. They both took, which they was going to take. But I wanted to see if that digital glitched. And yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. It did glitch. So let me show you my receipt. But before I show you that, my subtotal was $6.30. Yes, $6.30 for all of this. And you can't beat that. That is so good, because these products are $4.45 a piece. Okay, so let me show you. There's the Bics, the Bic, the Bic. Down here's the Febreze. Okay, let me show you. Y'all see that's one main, which, you know, Family Dollar coupons are called smart coupons. There's one $3 one. There is the other $3, which is my coupon. And then there's the other $3, which is my coupon. There you go. There it is. Everything came off. There's my smart coupon, my $5. My subtotal was $6.30. And where is, oh, here you go. And here is my savings, $21.50. Yes, $21.50. But I forgot to let y'all know, if y'all do use paper coupons, make sure that your subtotal after your coupons is $25, okay? Because I think using manufacturer coupons and then also using a 5 off of 25 sometimes will not work. You can try it yourself and see, but I just took it just to see on mine, and it did work for me, but I was over my 25, okay? So, yeah, this right here is my Dollar General and Family Dollar haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you all for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.